Here's a technique of working the tendons of infraspinatus and teres minor in the supine position. And I usually include this work in my other supine work. Sometimes you'll find that the client will report pain in the deltoid region during the stretch of the subscapularis. Generally, some cross-fiber friction of the tendons of infraspinatus and teres minor will take care of that problem. Here's where I'll be working, right in the crook of the shoulder, in the tendinous area. And I'm going to place my fingers right there and allow the weight of her arm to provide the pressure. And I'll press up just a tad. And then I'm going to add some rocking. The rocking is very gentle and is soothing to the client. And now I want to add some north-south cross-fiber friction with my fingers. So I'm going to move her arm so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to come back to the rocking, and what I like to do is alternate between the two. Rock the north and south, cross fiber friction, a little more rocking, little cross fiber, and now I'm going to move my fingers superiorly to another part of the tendon and do the same thing. Letting the weight of the humerus provide the pressure, do the rocking, and then north and south, cross fiber friction. Now my hand that's on top of her humerus is providing traction, and you want to maintain that traction all the way through this work. Alternating rocking, cross fiber friction, rocking, cross fiber friction.